If your team cannot answer the question whether the production environment is healthy right now in just or in less than 10 seconds. So this one is for you, and I'm going to show you exactly how to master the Grafana dashboard in 3 steps. Grafana is basically the single pane of glass for your entire infrastructure. So you connect it to Prometheus, Loki, your cloud metrics, and it all turns all the raw data into live interactive dashboards your whole team can actually read and act on. Before you build anything, you connect a data source. The good news is Grafana works with over 50 of them right out of the box. Take, for example, the famous Prometheus, CloudWatch, MySQL, Loki, and there is no vendor lock in. You can swap a data source later without even rebuilding a single dashboard. 4 things that separate a useful dashboard from one nobody opens. The first thing is variables. So your panels are dynamic by environment or service. Secondly, the panel types, the time series, the stat, gauge, heat map. Thirdly, the PromQL queries written directly inside each panel with autocomplete. And fourth, annotations to make or to mark every deployment as a vertical line on your graph. And here is the stack I actually recommend for you in production. So Grafana plus Prometheus for metrics, Loki for logs, Tempo for traces, and that gives you the full observability, logs, metrics, and traces, and all unified in one single UI. And just imagine how useful it is, how collaborative it is, and no context switching, no juggling 5 different tools, one platform your whole team can read. Most teams set alerts on CPU usage, and that is the wrong way, the wrong metric. So you want to alert on what your users actually experience. Step one, define the SLOs with error budgets and burn rates. Step two, create Grafana managed alert rules with proper contact points. Step three, connect the pager duty or Slack and route the alerts by severity so the right person gets woken up, not just everyone. That's it. 3 steps to master Grafana. Connect your data, build your dashboard, and alert the right way. If this helped you, save this post. You will need it in on your next on-call shift, and follow me for more DevOps content every single week.